Did you know not only your eyes, but your cheek line is the main focal point when it comes to your beard and how it's styled and how it's shaved? What's up, everybody? My name is Scott Barnes, and today I'm gonna show you how to get the best cheek line with an easy shave. So let's get into it. Now for this one, we're gonna make it really easy. The first, we're gonna need a razor. Second, we're going to need a Q-tip. And third, I like this the most, we need a clear shaving gel. This one's from Volt. Any of these things you need, go down in the description, check it out. Now to get right into it, the cheek line is one of the most important factors of your beard. It gives you a nice, good look, and on top of that, it gives you a presence of maintenance. Now, with that, we need to find two focal points. One is going to be your lip, and the other is going to be your ear. Now, especially right here is going to be your lobe and your lip. Keep those two L's in your brain. Your lobe and your lip, we want to connect those two, and that's where the Q-tip comes in. Now, there are a few things you can use out there on Amazon online. But for me, this is the cheapest, it's the easiest, and what I like to do is we're gonna take the Q-tip, we're gonna line it up from the lobe to the lip, and that's gonna be my line, all right? So, let's get at it. Now again, we're gonna use a clear shaving gel, and this is gonna be easy so we can actually see what we are shaving. So go ahead and give yourself maybe one or two little bit of squirts. We don't need a lot, but just a little bit. And we're just gonna go ahead and use that right here in that area to give ourselves a nice smooth shave. Now that we have our clear shaving gel on, we're gonna go ahead and take our Q-tip, line it up from the lobe to the lip, the two L's, take your razor and you use that as a line, and we're just gonna go ahead and shave up. Ooh, that's nice. Same for the other side. And again, we're going to line up our lip to our lobe. There's our line, and shave up. And that's going to create a nice slick line that's going from the lobe to the lip. And again, that's going to create a nice focal point for your beard. Now, if you want to get into the details, I do recommend, if you guys want, take your razor and go ahead and get up all that peach fuzz that's on the cheek. Because this one you can see in the light, just like I talked about in the back of the neck. We want to keep things clean when it comes to our facial hair game. So as we're looking onto someone, they don't really see all that unkept neck hair or the cheek line. Nice thing is with the neck, we can get away with it a couple of days because it gives us that 5 o'clock shadow. But of course, when we have our nice lines around it, everything can be copacetic. So just to keep things nice and tight, I do recommend getting either a straight razor or one single blade razor. Those multi-blades are really hard to define where that line is because they're so close together. It's really hard, again, to get that defined line that's going on your cheek or your neck. So again, I do recommend you guys go down to the link, check out my Amazon page, but you'd be surprised, just for about 40, 60, maybe $100, just depends on how far you want to go. When it comes to your inventory, your toolbox of things, you know, clippers, razors, lotions, shaving cream, shampoos, which it doesn't have to be a lot, but you would be surprised. I mean, if you guys go get your single blade razors, they're like $5 or $10 for a 100 pack. Maybe the razor itself might be 10 or 20 bucks. Shaving game's taken care of. Clippers might be 40 to 80, depending on what brand you're gonna get. And then finally, like, you know, when you get your shampoos, your shaving creams, your oils, all that stuff, that's another maybe $20 to $40. Again, depends on what brand, what your price point is, but it doesn't have to be that expensive. And that $100 can last you months on end, and we don't have to go ahead and repeat that cycle, spending $20, $30 on a new head just for a razor. With that rant, you guys, of course, let me know what you guys think. Any improvements that you guys want, I will take care of. With that, like and subscribe like always, and I will see you on the flip side. See ya!